how do I report construction noise?
Man, construction in New York can really be loud, but work's got to get done. So the Department of Environmental Protection has set up new regulations to reduce construction noise, so it's manageable.
Construction crews are now using noise-absorbing barriers. Trucks have quieter backup alarms. Would you believe even jackhammers have better mufflers? So if you think a job in your neighborhood is consistently too loud, especially after hours or on weekends, contact 311 and they'll schedule an inspection to take sound level readings.
New York is the city that never sleeps, but sometimes we all need some peace and quiet. To see this video again and others about life in the city, click the Inform NYC logo on nyc.gov.